Hello and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the Peak District, where I'm here with Megan, who is just in front, and we're here to do only a 5-mile circular walk that's going to take us up Wildboar Clough. Now, neither of us have ever done this scramble before. I think it's grade 2/3, and at the moment everything's dry. There's supposed to be showers coming across, but it's all dry at the moment, and we're just on the Transpennine Trail at the moment, which leads us to the very start of the clough. So I need to keep an eye out on the right for a gate and stile, which I might have found just here. I'm gonna have a look at the map, make sure we're in the right place. But we are heading up the north side of Bleaklow, which is up there. So yes, that was the right way. We have parked down at Torside Car Park. Let me just get over this bit here. That's Pay and Display Car Park, which it's only a few hundred metres down over there. So if you're trying to locate how to get to Wildboar Clough, just head onto the Transpennine Trail, turn left, follow that for 200-300 metres. And it used to be signed to the clough, like a signpost, but it's no longer signed. But look for a little path that goes up some steps to a stile, and that'll lead you beside Wildboar Clough, which is just starting down here. So we are well and truly on the decent bit of scrambling up Wildboar Clough. Now we've just come up this rocky flake that you kind of have to straddle with one leg either side. A little bit tough, but there are some small footholds, but really good handholds higher up. And now we've just arrived here at the second part. So I think we're going to stick to the left-hand side where it looks dry. Some good footholds and stuff and handholds here. Oh, there's a bit of a wet little chimney here, but I think we're going to stick to the left. And then just up there, maybe another 50 metres, is the last and the most difficult bit of scrambling before it levels out up towards Bleaklow. So we've got to the top of Wildboar Clough and it was a really exciting scramble. Grade 2/3, and in these conditions was okay, but the rock is really grimy in places and very slippery. But now we're at the top, we are going to head over to a plane crash site which literally sits just a few hundred meters to the south of where I am at the moment, and I'll give you more information on that when we get there. So we have found the crash site where on the 30th of January 1939 a Blenheim Mk.I crashed onto the hillside here on the edge of Bleaklow, killing both the pilot and a passenger. The pilot was Stanley Robinson and the passenger was Jack Thomas, acting as a pilot officer. So the aircraft failed to return from an exercise and was reported missing. And it was on the 12th of February 1939, that a full 2 weeks since the aircraft had disappeared, that the wreck was discovered by a member of a local walking club. And here there is also a memorial to the 2 people who lost their lives during this tragic accident. So it's also here we're going to head over in that direction towards the Pennine Way and then make our way down off the hillside. Me and Meg went the wrong way. I think we were on a path that led over to a stile, and now we're going down this 45-degree heather slope with random drops in random places. Oh god, here we go again, on the bum. Oh my god, Meg's trying to get down behind me. Oh, we're almost down. I'm literally like 3 meters from the stream. Oh yes, I'm down. I'm gonna watch Meg try and get down. Don't follow this path. Best thing to do is probably go back up from the crash site to Bleaklow Head and then go down the Pennine Way. Oh, but we are down. So we are on the Pennine Way at the moment, and we've been following it for about 1 kilometre or 2 now. And this big valley to my right, this is Torside Clough, and there is a good path down there, but I considered coming down that way. I'm glad I didn't, because that looks pretty rocky and I don't like the idea of a rocky descent. So good way to go up, not a good way to come down. So I say we joined the Pennine Way, and the views are just breathtaking. Look at this. Nice bit of sunshine as well. These lovely reservoirs here, surrounded by acres and acres of moorland and heather. It's absolutely beautiful. So we're back on the Trans-Pennine Trail now, which is going to lead us straight back to the car park. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and hit subscribe, and also ring the bell to keep up to date with future uploads. And I'll see you next time.